Photoshop CS6, how to install and download. Good day everyone. Are you looking for the Photoshop CS6 portable? Here this time I will show you how to install and download it. Just go to the Google site and type Photoshop CS6 portable free download and click the site link Photoshop CS6 portable download and click the box download. That's pretty easy, and check if your computer is in 64-bit or in 32-bit. This time I have 64-bit and I have to download just this. Is very easy like this, and as we can see here, the download has been starting, and you have to wait for just a second depending on the speed of your computer. And here the download is complete. You have to extract it by just show in folder and extract using a WinRAR. Click the wizard and finish. And this is now the installer of portable CS6 multi.exe. Here I want to show you a simple steps. First you have to do is to double click this Photoshop CS6 multi version. By just doing it, just leave the blank and next. Then browse where do you want it to download, the drive C or drive D, but this time I want to put it in the drive C. And then OK. Then install and wait for a second. Depending on the speed of your computer, Photoshop Portable is very useful for today or in different purposes. It's getting finished. That's it. Good. By this time we have to uncheck the run so we can find the executable program of this portable Photoshop and finish. Then go to the drive C where we install it. Just click this computer, this PC, the drive C. Here you can find Photoshop Portable, and this executable part of the Photoshop will be moved or just send into the desktop for the purpose of every time you're gonna open the computer, you don't need to go to drive C and find the executable file. Just open the desktop and double click it. There we go. We can use now for free Adobe Photoshop CS6 Portable. Like this one. New file. And OK. Here, you can start to have your own Photoshop for free. If you like it, the video, just thumbs up. Thank you for watching.